rising sophomores. My name is Mr. Johnson. I'm the World History AP teacher. Just kind of wanted to enjoy the weather at the same time, talk to you about world history because I love history. That is actually true, but don't worry, I'm not one of those crazy people. But of course, by making this video and talking to you directly, that's debatable. But anyway, I'm ADHD and dyslexic, so there's my heads up. But this is with me with meds. But anyway, okay. You're probably wondering what AP World History is like. And a lot of you have questions as to how hard is it, what do I have to do, that kind of stuff. And I'm going to break down just a few things to make it, not too much of your time, because obviously teachers talking to you like this all the time is boring, which I'm sure I am. Shut up. Okay, keep going. Okay. First thing is the only homework I give for history is reading. So you have readings from the textbook, which is usually anywhere from 8 to 12 pages. In this format, the way we're doing this online, every couple of days. So like normally when it's in person, I try not to break the 10-page rule of how many pages till the next class. Textbook isn't fun, but you're taking a college course, so you have to do that. But every now and then, I try to at least one every 2 or 3 assignments give you reading from popular books that are more interesting, and most of my students actually found them interesting. So there's that. That's homework. Projects aren't really homework. No writing assignments for homework. All of that stuff is usually done in class, in the environment, if we go back to in-person instruction. If it's online, well, then I use class time for that as well. I try very much to honor your time and take care of you all in that way. So there's that. About the writing assignments, however, you're going to be writing in a different way than you have for English. So a lot of times kids are like, well, I'm a good writer or I'm a bad writer. But you haven't met what it's like to write for history class when you have to argue. And that might seem scary to a lot of you. And some of you are like, fine, whatever. But I will help you. If you do the work in this and you want to improve, you can always rewrite essays to get a better grade. And since they're test grades, that always will benefit you. So I try very much, one, to help you and teach you how to write for history, but at the same time reward you for that work in that your grade improves as you learn what you're supposed to do. So writing is probably what most people complain about. No one likes writing anyway for fun. And if you talk to my sophomores now, they're going to say it's a lot of work and I give a lot of writing assignments. When, okay, it's February 12th, I've given them 1 essay and 1 short answer quiz in the last 6 weeks. So there's a deal of how much I actually give them in writing. I would recommend talking to sophomores and seniors to see how much AP World History has helped them in their writing, even for their English class. So obviously you can see I don't take myself as seriously as most, so that's probably a positive thing in terms of how approachable I am and receptive to you all and how to help. Anyway, but that's a little bit on the writing. I try to listen to you all. I try to adapt. I try to do things that will help and do activities. And if you're doing the readings, what we do in class is mostly going to be activities and assignments and stuff. It is not lecture. I do not like lecturing. In fact, to make sure I don't lecture in the future, I've been making videos for my kids this year so that I always have videos on the content that I don't have to lecture anymore. So if you don't like it in the book or somewhere else, that's cool. I've made other videos for you. I give extra credit that will help improve your grades. And really my goal in all of this is to help you learn and be successful. And so I want to work with you on that one. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for your time. I also have another video to go look that's like this if you're so interested, probably a little bit longer and a little more detailed. And I'll share that with you as well. So good luck and take care and enjoy your snow day.